If you are on a tight budget, you still want your hair to look good, you still want to maintain your hair, and you don't know the products that you want to get, then you should watch this video till the very end, because I have different hair care products I personally have tried myself before coming here to recommend them. They are super affordable, they are very durable, and they are lasting. Like, they smell good, they have good hair fragrance and everything. If you are new here, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We are trying to grow as a family, as a community, so please hit that subscribe button right now. So let's get into the video. First on my list is the Mediana hair repair and anti-dandruff shampoo. This is the first time I'm actually getting a shampoo, because I started with the leave-in conditioner of Mediana. I started with their leave-in conditioner, and even we are getting to that. This shampoo, it has this burning sensation when you are using it for your hair to wash your hair, because of it has the anti-dandruff feature. So it's cleared my dandruff. I've used this only 3 times for my hair, and it cleared my dandruff, guys. I'm not even capping here. And I got this for around 1,500, 1,200 to 1,500. Look, at the bottle is still full to show that this is a current price. Mediana is one of the most affordable hair care products that you need to get for your hair. If you know that you want to use it for your wigs, for your natural hair, you should get this. Second on my list is our Mediana conditioner. It repairs, it protects, and it nourishes the hair. Trust me, you guys, this is magic. Like, I'm not even capping here. Mediana has one of the best products. It gives you your money's worth. So when you are using it, you are not just using it because of it is affordable. You are using it because of it works for your hair. It maintains it gives your hair that vibrance it needs. I got this for around 1,800. It is more expensive than the shampoo. I don't know if it's because of the size. Make sure you go to a big market when you are getting this, so that you get them for an affordable rate, or you go to a store that you know that they sell very cheap, like very like that you know they sell wholesale prices, because I guess these are wholesale prices. Our Mediana leave-in conditioner, the leave-in conditioning milk, with 4 natural hair boosters, protein, milk, and essential oils. Guys, I use this for my wig, I use this for my natural hair, I use this to detangle my hair. I use it even more than I use my hair cream, because this is full package, you guys. Disclaimer, this is not a paid ad. No hair care product paid me to do this. Just saying from my own perspective how these products have helped me. I'm just reviewing this product and the prices I got them. So please have that at the back of your mind. Tea tree moisturizing conditioner. The shampoo of this I threw it away because it was already finished, but this is the conditioner, and I must say this is an amazing product. But I got one of this for 3,500 naira as of months ago, because this is the conditioner and it's almost finished. That was the price then. So imagine what it is now, because that was months ago. You should definitely go for this. This is amazing. It is worth the price. This is Expel Hair Care, that's the brand name, and this is tea tree moisturizing hair care. So nice. From the shampoo to the it was a wonderful ride with this. So mentholated conditioner. I did not get the shampoo of this. This is the conditioner of the mentholated
Okay, just mentholated, I guess.
but I did not enjoy. I'm not going to lie, I did not like this. I only use it for my dummy head when I want to wash my dummy head. That's when I use this, because when I got it because I was just trying to save up money, and I got it for around, I think 800 or 1,200. That will be the current price, 800 to 1,200. But I did not enjoy it. I just left it after the first time I used it, because I think it made my hair stronger or something, I don't know. But I'm actually reviewing this product. It might work for other people, it might be good for other people, but for me personally, nah, it wasn't good for my hair. So yeah, if it works for you, fine, but it doesn't work for me. The Anagen Growth Oil from House of Fun Meats. And I must say this is really really nice. I just started using it. I just got it some weeks ago and I just started using it. It has clove, rosemary, fenugreek, and some other oils, and some other oils that are really really beneficial for the hair. So far so good. I must say it is actually amazing. I got this for 2,500 naira. It's still something that you can get. Hair booster serum. This one, it works like magic. My brother got this. I took it from him. He got this and he used this for his hair for over a month plus, and his hair grew drastically. When he started using it, he was complaining of dandruff and everything, and it cleared the dandruff on his hair. It made his hair grow longer and thicker. So I'm going to recommend this, but I do not know the price. That's just the only downside of this. I doesn't remember how much he got it. So this 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Olive oil mousse. So this olive oil wrap and set mousse, it's nice. I got it for 1-2. Yeah, 1-2 as of then. Like I've been using it for like 5 months now, because I really, okay, it's finished already. Yeah, it's finished now, but I use it mainly for my wigs or sometimes for my hair. And for the price, it's okay. Let me just say it's okay. I'll just give it like a 5 out of 10 for this 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. This, my brother got this because he loves treating his hair nicely, and it worked for his hair. But I don't know, it's not like something that I would recommend. But if you use it and it is nice on your hair, still fine. I don't really like it, so I've not actually really used it that well. I've not used it that well, but my brother uses it. My friend used it when she came over to visit me for a while. She used it too. So some people like it, yeah, but me, I don't really like it. I think because of the smell. It's it doesn't. I don't know why I don't like it. I don't know. I don't just fancy it. I don't know. Our scalp massager, guys, you guys, please, you need to get this for your scalp. When you're washing your hair with your shampoo, this would make your shampoo and your conditioner to sit properly in your scalp. So you really need this, bro. You need this. And I think I got it for around 15225. I don't remember the amount I got it, but yeah, it's good for your scalp. You just, and sometimes when I apply my hair oil on my hair, I'll just use it to massage my hair, like, bro. Very affordable. Mediana is affordable because of the price range, and it gives you its money's worth, and tea tree gives you its money's worth as well. I'm not going to lie, they are both nice, and these are the ones I use that I'm just reviewing, and I'm trying to tell you that okay, this is what you should get to. So yeah, that is all for now. And please, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share this video, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.